Circle and square constitute the universe. Circle and square are the common geometric figures, while circular pipe and square pipe are the common transmission and structure pipes. Juncheng Steel Pipe, undertaking the manufacturing faith of quality priority, with standard technological process, complete product type, considerable high-quality service, worry-free after-sales guarantee, guarantees to meet the customer's diversified demands. Juncheng Steel Pipe, a professional and famous manufacturing brand of transmission pipe in China. Considerable scale, supply capacity of Juncheng Steel Pipe. In China, there is a professional manufacturing team. In 1997, they engaged in the development of steel pipe products in a state-owned enterprise. In 2002, they invested and established a steel pipe manufacturing enterprise through stock participation. In 2010, they invested and established the brand Juncheng Steel Pipe through holding. So far, they have engaged in the R&D and manufacturing of steel pipe for nearly 20 years. For 20 years, the manufacturing team of Juncheng Steel Pipe has accumulated rich experience and technology in steel pipe manufacturing and has been widely recognized by customers from China and the world. It has achieved extraordinarily rapid development in production. Juncheng Steel Pipe has established a professional steel pipe manufacturing base in Tianjin, Shandong, and Inner Mongolia province with complete varieties pipes. At present, Juncheng Steel Pipe Technology Group owns 20 production lines of straight seam welded steel pipe, 16 production lines of hot-dipped galvanized steel pipe, 10 production lines of lining plastic steel pipe, 6 production lines of coating plastic steel pipe, 6 production lines of spiral submerged arc welded steel pipe, and 3 PE FBE anti-corrosion production line, plastic coating anti-corrosion production line, and polyurethane foaming production line for each. Since establishment, based on the spirit of being realistic and pragmatic, Juncheng has successfully obtained manufacture license of Special Equipment People's Republic of China, Spiral Welded Pipe API 5L PSL2 Senior Gas Line Pipe Certificate, Drinking Water Sanitation and Safety Permit Approval for Steel Plastic Composite Pipe, and Safety Certificate of Approval for Mining Products. All production enterprises have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and OSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification. It has obtained the certificates of Tianjin, Famous Brand Product, ADTO, Famous Brand Product, and Shandong, Famous Brand Product, and obtained more than 60 qualifications and honors, including 18 Chinese national patents, and became a member of multiple national-level industrial associations and their recommended enterprise. It has been successfully selected as one of the top 500 enterprises of China's manufacturing industry and one of the China top 500 private manufacturing enterprises. Juncheng Steel Pipe takes to build the first brand of product quality as its own duty. With an annual manufacturing capacity of nearly 4 million tons and more than RMB 2 billion group total assets, Juncheng Group has become a rising star in the steel pipe manufacturing industry of China. Quality priority. Manufacturing faith of Juncheng Steel Pipe. Juncheng has always taken the product quality as the top priority of the corporate management. To become the best quality steel pipe in China and even the whole world is a faith rooted in the mind of each employee. To make the employees consciously pay much attention to the quality in a no-supervision work environment, Juncheng has carried out comprehensive and multi-level trainings to all employees. Juncheng has prepared corporate culture and post-responsibility training manual. The corporate culture has been rooted in the inner heart of the employees, forming the unique character of Juncheng people, so as to upgrade to a manufacturing faith.
每批产品在换型修车后，我们都要进行手电检验，特别是弯曲压扁和沟槽试验。
我们把产品质量作为企业的头等大事来抓。
我们每天早晨开会都会对产品进行质量分析。
我们的目标只有一个，
那就是制造中国质量最好的钢管。
The unshakable manufacturing faith has achieved the professional, scientific and standardized quality management model. Juncheng Steel Pipe has become a member of China Steel Standardization Technical Committee Steel Pipe Subcommittee and one of the establishers of multiple Chinese national steel pipe standards. Standard process: manufacturing control of Juncheng Steel Pipe. A good objective needs a good execution. In the control of manufacturing flow, Juncheng Steel Pipe has established a perfect whole quality assurance system to trace and inspect the quality in the whole process from purchase of raw materials, manufacturing and inspection of intermediate products, finished product inspection to product delivery, and promotes regulated, scientific and strict internal quality control and management system. A good product quality is inseparable from a high-quality raw material supplier. Each raw material will be sampled for test when entering the factory to ensure that the contents of carbon, sulfur, manganese, phosphate, silicon, aluminum and nickel etc. to conform to the material requirements in the customer order. Juncheng Steel Pipe promotes the total quality control in manufacturing process, pays attention to each manufacturing detail, and the manufacturing of base steel strictly complies with the requirements of 219 manufacturing and inspection processes. In each process, the quality is inspected comprehensively by professional quality inspector in the process with special equipment to ensure that each delivered product meets the quality requirements with a prudent attitude. Each Juncheng steel pipe is printed with the information code for traceability according to the requirements of ISO 9001 Quality Management System. In case of quality feedback from the customer according to the information code on the objected steel pipe, the information of manufacturing date, material manufacturer, heat number, production team, and inspector in each link, etc. can be rapidly found out, which achieve whole process monitoring and timely correction guiding. The perfect quality management system and advanced detection means have provided reliable guarantee for the high-quality products to users. The production line of Juncheng steel pipe is purchased according to the first-class technical requirements of the industry. and it is equipped with high-end online and offline detection equipment. The Juncheng Group sets up 3 professional quality detection and R&D center. The Center of Juncheng Steel Pipe has obtained the certificate of Laboratory of China National Accreditation Service for Conformity Assessment and is equipped with various advanced and professional detection and experiment equipment. Juncheng steel pipe is stricter than the Chinese national standard in size accuracy, anti-corrosion layer and appearance, and its products have smoothly passed the annual inspection of Chinese Quality Inspection Management Department and gained the conforming detection report. The coating plastic steel pipe has obtained the type test conformance report of China National Center for Quality Supervision and Test of Fixed Firefighting Systems and Fire-Resisting Building Components. Because of strict control in the product manufacturing process, we are confident to our promise to customers that we promise 1 leak Juncheng special purpose steel pipe, 10,000 yuan compensation. Complete category. Different satisfaction of Juncheng steel pipe. While keeping refining and pursuing excellence in manufacturing, Juncheng steel pipe has continuously researched and developed varieties of steel pipes. Juncheng straight seam welded steel pipe. As the only brand of completely independent manufacturing of thin, medium and thick wall steel pipes, Juncheng steel pipe can produce BS 1387 heavy thickened steel pipe. Juncheng hot dipped galvanized steel pipe. Juncheng is a brand implementing the strictest standard with most comprehensive production specification and most regulated galvanization thickness in China. Juncheng spiral double submerged arc welded steel pipe. Juncheng is the only brand with most comprehensive supporting and completely independent manufacturing of base pipe, heat preservation, 3PE anti-corrosion, coating plastic anti-corrosion pipes in the spiral steel manufacturing enterprises of China. Juncheng lining plastic steel pipes. Juncheng is a brand of steel plastic composite pipe with the highest strength of steel and plastic bonding in China. Juncheng coating plastic steel pipe. Juncheng is a coating plastic steel pipe brand with the best outer and inner coating adhesive force in China. Juncheng square and rectangular pipe, galvanized square and rectangular pipe. Juncheng oil casing. Considerable service. After-sales guarantee of Juncheng steel pipe. Juncheng pursues the intimate service of customer satisfaction in products and pursues services for every people in any place and at any time. Juncheng adheres to delivery for 24 hours and guarantees the delivery in due time. It prints an ID for each steel pipe to ensure the product traceability. The products are subject to product liability insurance guarantee by Pacific Insurance Company. The huge indoor warehouse and outdoor warehouse provides a reliable guarantee for the warehousing logistics. In case of any quality objection, it will respond within 24 hours and solve the quality problem within 72 hours.
从2011年开始代理君诚各种产品，得益于君诚稳定的产品质量及经营理念，我公司从年销售额2000万发展到今天的2.5亿。我相信与君诚的合作会有更大的发展。
客户对君诚的质量很满意，对产品的 厚度、焊接、镀锌都给予高度的评价。
中建二局3公司是国有大型建筑企业，我们对工程质量要求是非常严格的。通过这几年和军政钢管的合作，我们对他们的产品质量是非常有信心的。因此，我们企业把他们做我们的合作供应商。从他们对企业产品的这种高度要求，可以看得出他们做百年企业的这种决心。希望他们能够做大做强，造福百姓。
Project Case: Social Recognition to Juncheng Steel Pipe. With high standard quality, Juncheng Steel Pipe has been widely recognized by the public, and it has established a strategic partnership with more than 300 agency distributors and has become the designated brand supplier of dozens of listed enterprises like Town Gas, China Resources Gas, ENN Energy, CNPC PurchaseNet, China State Grid, China Huadian Group, and Wandan Commercial Real Estate. No more and pick out slowly. Rise abruptly based on the accumulated strength. Juncheng Steel Pipe has been widely applied in the national level key projects in China, the provisional and municipal landmark projects and buildings. While achieving development in the Chinese market, Juncheng Steel Pipe is also expanding the international market rapidly, with products exported to more than 20 countries and regions across the world. We are adding Juncheng color to the world. Strive with hardworking and frugality to go farther and achieve win-win situations with friendship and integrity. The corporate development benefits of the hard work of all employees and the growth of brand is inseparable from the great support of customers. Cooperating with more listed companies such as HCNet and MySteelNet, and this has greatly spread Juncheng brand. While investing in the industry, Juncheng has never forgotten its social responsibility and participates in these social charities actively. Mr. Guo Jianjun, the company president, has successfully acted as the president of the Tianjin Inner Mongolia Chamber of Commerce, is employed as the master tutor of Tianjin University of Science and Technology. Juncheng Industrial Investment is the title sponsor of football and basketball teams of JCADTO, #1 middle school in Inner Mongolia.
这是全县人民的骄傲与自豪。
And donated money and materials to the earthquake-stricken area via the Red Cross, and once was invited by the international famous star Jackie Chan for charity auction. We will always adhere to the operation purpose and management concept of good service for customer, profitable return for shareholder, happy life for employees, and great contribution to society. We are willing to lay a solid foundation to establish a 100-year band through our unremitting efforts, strive for a world with love, and contribute all our efforts to building a harmonious society of green nature and human happiness. Juncheng Steel Pipe, to be the best quality steel pipe in China.